Hi guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson and today I'm gonna be doing kind of like a throwback recipe. So I'm a weird person when it comes to like stationery. I tend to hold on to a lot of things that mean a lot, I guess, when it comes to stuff like writing and notebooks and binders and things like that. And I actually have a lot of my binders from high school. I graduated almost 10 years ago. And I was going through one of them a couple weeks ago and I found a recipe that I just wrote down. I know it's from way back then because my handwriting was like super great. And that was back when I used to practice having good writing. I don't know, side story, but I have no idea where this recipe came from. So if this is your recipe, totally let me know. I'll insert a picture of the recipe that I wrote down and I will also leave it in the bottom bar below just in case you want it that way. But this is called buttered bananas with toasted cashews. And it looks like it's similar to a play on Bananas Foster, which I've never had that either. So this is gonna be a super fun one for me. I hope that you guys enjoy. And if you guys are curious to see how this one turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. So for this recipe, I first got going by peeling and chopping my bananas, and I cut them in half when I did that because, well, one of them broke that way. So I just kind of went with that. Then I went to the stove and got going with some butter and dry roasting my cashews. Then I put my bananas in. And then I sprinkled them on top with some nutmeg and then some brown sugar. And I just kind of cooked that until they reached the caramel color and then added in the juice of half of an orange. Cooked that until it got all sticky and pretty looking. And then it was done. All right guys, so this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. I should let you guys know that my cashews are raw. There is no salt or anything on them, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. Oh, the sauce is super duper yummy. I think when I wrote down the instructions, I left out a very crucial element. I think that this would be drastically improved if the bananas were caramelized. It's like a texture thing. The cashews help. Let me sprinkle a little bit of salt on there and see if that kind of helps bring everything to life. That's much better. Either add salt to the sauce if you make this or get salted cashews. But I think if I make this again, I would crank up my heat and get caramelization on these bananas. And I probably wouldn't use bananas that were as old as mine were. Second thing I would do is I would put the cashews in the sauce at the same time I put in the orange juice. I think that when I take a bite of kind of like that raw toasted cashew flavor, it almost contradicts the sauce because the sauce is really sweet. And I think that just kind of the rawness of the cashews almost clash instead of complementing each other. But it's still good, don't get me wrong. I mean, we're gonna eat this, but if I were to make this again, those would be my improvements. May also add vanilla extract. Now, rating wise, I would say good 6.5, 7. It's not bad. I just think that with those improvements, that it would just go from being like a mediocre, ooh, the sauce is really great, to wow, this is exponential. Like, we're gonna make this all the time. I just crank that heat on up and get some color on those nanners. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below what else you want tested. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.